Okay guys, welcome to the episode 3 of the video I made about how to activate your Nextel account. So on this particular video, I am going to be showing you how to set up your Nextel profile. So on my previous video, I made a video about how to register your Nextel account, and I also make another second video on how to activate your Nextel account. So on this particular video, I am going to be showing you how to set up your account. So everything that you need to know about setting up your account, you can find it right here on this particular video. But before we start this video, make sure to like this video, share this video with others, comment Nextel on the comment sections, and I will get back to you. If you have any questions that you want to ask about Nextel, kindly drop it on the comment section and I'm going to reply to you instantly. So without wasting much of our time, let's go. So this is what we are going to be doing right here. So if you want to set up your profile, if you check this particular place right here, you are going to see profile. Okay, so now click on profile. Now after clicking on profile, you are going to see your personal informations. So if you want to set up your bank payment or bank account, you can come here. If you want to edit your profile, you come right here. If you want to change your password, you come right here. So what we are going to do now is to edit profile. You see that I used the name that we are seeing on my account now appears to be Michael, right? But I used Big Jores as my username, and it's not the username that is appearing on my profile. I can change this if I want. So just go to edit profile. If you go to edit profile, now the name that you want it to appear on your profile, you can just change it right here. You see that my profile used Michael, right? So I can come here to change my first name to, let's say, Coach Jorex. Understand? Let me say I want to use Coach Jorex. I can just change it to Coach Jorex. Now after changing my listing to Coach Jorex, if I want to add pictures on my account, on my profile, I can just click here to add picture. Understand? Just click on the camera icon, select any picture of your choice, then you add. But now, or for now, I just want to change the name. I wanted to change just the name. Now let me click on save. Now after clicking on save, you see that profile has been updated. Now let's go back to see if my name has been changed from Michael to Coach Jorex that I added. Let's go back to my dashboard. You see, it was, if you check very well, it was Michael before, but now I have changed it to the name that I want, Coach Jorex. So that's how to actually edit your profile. Note, we are not yet done. Let's go back again. Just go to profile again. After going to profile, click on payment settings. Now this is where to, if you want to, okay, let me go back. That's not what I clicked. Payment settings. So this one is how to actually add your bank details. So I am going to make another video on how to add your bank details for withdrawal on Nextel. So on this particular video, on the next video, I will be showing you how to add your bank details, and I'm also going to be showing you how to make some other changes that you wish to know on Nextel, or you wish to perform on Nextel. You know, we already add our transaction pin. If you require we add a new one, we can also do that. So this will be done on our next video. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. Bye.